Investigating science is about investigating processes within science. In core subjects such as physics and chemistry, there's a lot of content, so we don't often get enough time to explain the process of doing science, and that's what investigating science is about. You will study things such as cause and effect, theories and laws, and things like fact or fallacy, so separating science from pseudoscience. 1/4 of the Year 11 course and 1/4 of the Year 12 course is dedicated to the depth study. This is where we go into a lot more detail about a specific area of science that you find interesting. Investigating science touches on the other major sciences: physics, chemistry, biology, earth and environmental science, but it doesn't go into too much detail about them. It's designed to be taken concurrently with those other scientific disciplines. So it wouldn't be unusual for a student to take physics, chemistry and investigating science as their 6 units of science in Year 11 if you were that way inclined. You can take investigating science by itself and you will gain a general education in science and the scientific process. Investigating science replaced senior science several years ago in the New South Wales curriculum. Senior science was an easier science course that was still a general science course, but investigating science has a lot more rigour. You will enjoy it though, even though you might be challenged, because there is a lot of flexibility when it comes to the large amount of time that's dedicated to the depth study in Year 11 and Year 12. Why would you take investigating science? Well, you either love science, you want to get more detail about the scientific process and you're studying it in conjunction with other sciences, or you can't decide what science you want to take, but you do know you want to take a science. So having investigating science as a general science where you touch on all of the disciplines of science would be beneficial to you. Investigating science helps in all aspects of life, not just science. Even if you become a lawyer, and you take on a case that has a large scientific component, you'll be able to take on that case with more confidence because you understand science. That's just one example of the type of career that would benefit from investigating science.